Sanibona bafethu uvana lo. So igame elandelayo Orlando Pirates bawudlala against Mamelodi Sundowns. Okuyigame ebalekile le for Orlando Pirates nayo futhi Sundowns igame ebalekile le for yona. So nayi ke mina line prediction engayishaya mase ngithola ithuba. Wena ungangitshela ama comments iyiphi ongayiqalisa. Yabo ubaba odlala ongabaqalisa iyiphi ongayisetha mase uthola ithuba. Ungayigxeke yami. Yabo ungitshela ukuthi why uyiqalise kanjalo. Mina ngokwami the reason why ngiyisese kanje is because based on the information I have and indlela iPirates edlala ngakhona. But ke wena wangitshela ithini eyakho kuma comments. Ngajabula kakhulu ukuyizwa ungayigxeke yami but ungitshele eyakho. Zoqala ke ePalini ke bafethu abantu abaningi they've been criticizing the boy and ngiyithanda lento engiyibona enkundleni zokuxhumana. Umjida bafethu uyena number 1 Orlando Pirates. Yena number 1 Orlando Pirates. On my books, he is the number 1 in South Africa. Yabo. So ePalini ngaqalisa bani uSipho Chain uyena ke bafethu amaketango azobe sivalile lapha emuva. Uzovala zonke izinto ezidlula. Yabo. Mase ngiza ke lapha kuma defenders wethu. Kuma defenders angifuni futhi ukushintsha into eziningi. Zoqalisa bani uMbokazi noSiyema bayawazi kumsebenzi. They did the same against Mamelodi Sundowns ku-MTN Net semi-final. So into engizoyibona nje la angifuni nje ukubona into ehlukile. So udlala lokuthasi yabo ngiyenzeka kube nama mistakes amaningi ngizwile vele kuzobe kunetha. So abajida ngathi bangaba careful lapha emuva bangacommit ama fouls are useless njengoba kuzobe kunetha nje bangasheshe bacommit kuma fouls cause oref abaningi siyabazi la eSouth Africa bayathanda ukuthi babe over biased. Abanye abawabona ama fouls bavele ba charge nje. So abajida kumele babe careful emuva bakwazi ukuthi bawa time ama tackles abazowenza badlule nje nebhola. Yabo bangakasheshe bacommit bagade ungalimali cause ngenzeka kube very slippery kusasa. But ke iwona ama center back lawa engawaqalisa mina kule game esoyidlala against Mamelodi Sundowns. Mase kuthi kuma wing backs controversial but ke I will start uSibelebele as a right wing back. The reason why I'm starting uSibelebele as a right wing back, Sibelebele he gives us that attacking. We need an attacking right wing and we need an attacking left wing. So starting uSibelebele in that position will be a boost for Orlando Pirates as they will try to capitalize and attack Mamelodi Sundowns on a full force. From iminutes nje lokuqala until 90 minutes Orlando Pirates kumele yenze sure ukuthi iyayi attacker Mamelodi Sundowns. So starting uSibelebele on that right wing back umjida impela uzokwazi ukuthi capitalize add ama numbers lapha phambili akwazi ukuthi asize i-right wing akushawa ama crosses kudliwe inet. Yonke esiyidingayo sibonile nje into eyenziwe last game sidinga ukuyibona futhi nakule game lesoyidlala against Mamelodi Sundowns. Sundowns ke nayo izobibophele. So kumele senze sure ukuthi si enforcer more people abazodlala kuma wing backs because siyabazi banomdawu babe nolunga babe nomodiba. So lawo badlali bayakwazi ukudlala kakhulu. So ama side kumele senze sure ukuthi si enforcer more manpower sikwazi ukuthi siba attack na kuma wide areas. I know uva olomjida lo osuna police uzobe markiwa. I think uzomakwa umdawu if I'm not mistaken. So kumele senze show ukuthi now Deon Hoto la ka left uyakwazi ukuthi amsize ayiphambili awu add ama numbers. Yabo. So iyona ke lineup mina engayisetha la i-back four yami le iyona le. Ubani uSiyema, uMbokazi, uSibelebele, mase kuba uDeon Hoto as a left wing back. Mase siye center ke. Center ke Orlando Pirates I think kusasa ilapho khona ngizobona khona ukuthi ucoach kumele abe brave. I don't know ukuthi mhlambe ukhona yini lo mdlali. I think Orlando Pirates izwa ku game yakusasa ingenayo number 6. Izwa ku game yakusasa ingenayo number 6. I saw uSihlendule last game kuthiwa umjida ulimele. Wayengekho even kuma stands. Njengoba engekho kuma stands okuyinkombandlela ukuthi umjida ulimele but I saw Makhehleni Makhawula training with i-team Orlando Pirates okungenzeka ukuthi Makhehleni mhlawumbe uyena ozobe iqala leya game leya kusasa. But ke mina based on the information I have because mukhumbula kahle phela uMakhehleni Makhawula washo uAbdislam Wadu ukuthi yena ngenzeka umjida kube like ngenzeka kudlule mhlambe amasonto amabili simbone ebuyela. So based on that information I would put Umbatha in that midfield. Yabo ngimfake nje uMbatha in that midfield. Siyamazi uMbatha defensively uyakwazi ukuthi ayisise Orlando Pirates. Last game we played without a number 6 who was playing in that game. Wakudlala bani uNemtajela, kudlale bani futhi kudlale lo mjida lo uDansini. Mase kudlala bani kudlale uTito Maswanganyiso number 10. So kule game le ngizoqalisa bani ngizoqalisa yena lo mjida lo uMbatha. Ngimqalise nje uMbatha uzodlala lapha esiswini. Yabo uzo actor as a defensive player. Defensive player bafethu sayidinga le nto leya. The reason why ngiyenza lento le, I'm sure abantu abaningi bazoquestion ukuthi awuvani wawuqalisa uTalente Mbatha. Remember, ithi misodlala naye akekho uTebogo Mokoena. Njobe ngekho nje uTebogo Mokoena, they have the likes of abo Obas. Yabo Obas bafethu siyamazi. Yabo uyiquality yena but akafiki kwiquality yaTebogo Mokoena. Hlezi nje wamesodlala neSundowns uTebogo Mokoena uhlala lezo sineze inkinga. So mina by starting ngombatha umvela umjido yakwazi. Uyazi ukuthi kumele kwenziweni esiswini. Uyakwazi ukudefenda. Sijwayele ukuthi simbone nje uyakwazi ukudlala noNdulu, uyakwazi futhi ukudlala nobani, uyakwazi ukudlala nalomjida lo Makhehleni Makhawula. Yabo uyawazi umsebenzi. Sesadlala vele ngaye as unumber 6 last season. Yabo. Mase seza lapha abafethe esiswini. Esiswini. Yabona ke esiswini abadlali abazodlalisa bani, abazodlalisa uTalente Mbatha. Ngaqalisa bani, ngaqalisa uNamtajela. I think kule game esiphuma kuyona ubedlala u6 if I'm not mistaken, because ube defensive kakhulu. Ngimbonanga phambili idema numbers. Ngathi ube defense kakhulu ngosikhathi dlala neMagesi. So ngizomqalisa yena adlale number 10 akwazi ukuthi aphusha ephambili abe box to box edema numbers ashayela amabhola akhe. Ngimdlalise nobani? Ngimdlalise noTito, but uTito, I like ispirit sika Tito. I like indlela ayimisela ngakhona uTito. Uyabona ukuthi right now this is a new Orlando Pirates. So ithuba linikezwayo kumele alisebenzise, kumele adlale ngempela. So ngingamqalisa kwigame yakusasa. I know kungenzeka ngaqali maybe mhlambe kuqala umbule. Yabo, but realistically you have to start with Teto Maswanganyi. Ucoach uyamthanda uTeto Maswanganyi, and I love nami uTeto Maswanganyi. He's my favorite player ku Orlando Pirates. You need him kuma games amakhulu kanje for Orlando Pirates. So starting with Teto Maswanganyi might make sense kwigame yakusasa, but ke asazi mina ngingamqalisa uTeto Maswanganyi. But ke wena wangitshela ama comments ubani owamqalisa lapha esiswini. For me isona sisu sami lesi engasiqalisa kule game esoyidlala against Mamelodi Sundowns. I know it doesn't look like isisu mhlambe wena ongasho ukuthi yabo uTeto useyakwazi ukumaka manje, which is a big thing. Yakwazi ukumaka umjidi, uyakwazi ukucollect ibhola kuye phambili, but ke ihoti into engikhala ngawo unako kuba slow, yabo. But ke wena ungangitshela ama comments isusu sakho singaba njani, yabo. Mase ukuthi kuma wingers, I spoke about ama wingers. I think laba fethu laba bayawazi umsebenzi kumele bawenze. Tsepa Moremi with Osuna Police. You know the story. You know the story. You know the story. I don't need to explain into kumele bayenze kwigame yakusasa. Bayawazi umsebenzi kumele bayowenza. Boba uthula abadlali bakwiform ephezulu kakhulu. Njobe kwiform nje ephezulu kakhulu sidinga ama goals. Yabo mhlambe ke bengamthatha Osuna Police ngimbekeze number 10, mhlambe ngidlalise ibala lapha kwiwinger, mhlambe umfuking mekhona. But ke I don't think umfuking uzobe khona kule game yakusasa. Asasi. Mase ukuthi lapha phambili ngiqalise bani na? Ngiqalise uMakgopa. Isona striker engasiqalisa against iMamelodi Sundowns. Iyona ke iline up mina engayisetha le. Ngishintshile la iswini. No, ngishintshile uTito Maswanganyi. No, I think kungangcono siqalise bani? Siqalise uSipho Mbuli. Yabo, I think ngangcono siqalise uSipho Mbuli. Uyakwazi vele ukuconnecta with uTalente Mbatha. Iyona into esenginakisisile ngawo. Yabo. So angazi wena wangitshela ama comments ithini line up yapho. Ungayigxeke yami but ungitshele yakho. Yabo, I don't think bazoqala uNduli noma Makhehleni, but ke Orlando Pirates inama surprises. Ngajabula mayase baqale because ukuhamba nesisu esikanje esingekho balanced ungasinikeza inkinga. Yabo, ungasinikeza inkinga, maybe singu Makhehleni Makhawula ngaba into emnandi kakhulu.